Imagine a sky where packages don't just arrive by truck, they fly directly to your doorstep. No delays, no traffic, just speed, precision, and efficiency. This is the promise of delivery drones, and America is already leading the charge. Companies like Amazon Prime Air, UPS Flight Forward, and Walmart DroneUp are pouring billions into building fleets that could make waiting 2 days for a package feel ancient. Let's start with Amazon. In 2013, Jeff Bezos made headlines on 60 Minutes when he revealed Amazon's vision for drone deliveries. Many thought it was a gimmick. But fast forward, Amazon has already been testing its Prime Air drones in Texas and California, successfully delivering household items in under an hour. These drones are fully electric, eco-friendly, and capable of carrying packages weighing up to 5 pounds, a limit that actually covers more than 80% of Amazon's deliveries. Walmart has been even faster in pushing drone delivery to customers. In partnership with DroneUp, Walmart has launched drone hubs in several U.S. states, including Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Texas, Utah, and Virginia. As of 2023, Walmart reported completing over 10,000 drone deliveries, from snacks to diapers, proving that this technology isn't just theory, it's operational today. And then there's UPS, which in 2019 became the first U.S. company to receive full FAA certification for drone airline operations. UPS Flight Forward has tested drones to deliver critical medical supplies to hospitals in North Carolina, reducing delivery times from hours to just minutes. Think about the implications. In healthcare, where minutes matter, drones aren't just convenient, they're life-saving. The scale of this revolution is enormous. According to a PwC report, the global drone market could reach $50 billion by 2030, with delivery and logistics making up one of the fastest-growing segments. And in the US alone, a McKinsey study estimates that drone deliveries could scale to 500 million packages annually by 2030. That means drones won't be a niche service, they'll be mainstream. But how exactly do these drones work? Delivery drones rely on a combination of LiDAR sensors, GPS, onboard cameras, and AI-powered navigation systems. Together, these allow drones to detect obstacles like trees, birds, or power lines while calculating safe landing spots. Unlike human drivers stuck in traffic, drones fly above it all, cutting delivery times drastically. Take a simple example: Los Angeles traffic. A delivery truck carrying medicine might take 45 minutes to reach a patient in heavy traffic. A drone could do it in under 10 minutes flying straight across freeways and buildings. For patients with conditions like diabetes or heart disease, that time difference could literally mean survival. Even beyond healthcare, drones will change daily life in ways Americans may not expect. Grocery runs could become obsolete. A family in Dallas could order fresh produce from Walmart, and a drone would drop it in their backyard within 30 minutes. College students could order textbooks and have them mid-class. Restaurants could expand delivery zones without hiring more drivers. This isn't just about speed, it's about redefining convenience. Drones erase the gap between online and offline shopping, making instant gratification a reality. It's a transformation as big as the shift from physical stores to e-commerce. And it's happening again, this time in the skies. But here's the truth. Revolutions never come without challenges. For delivery drones, the biggest hurdles are regulation, safety, and public acceptance. Let's start with the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration. In the US, airspace is heavily regulated, and drones aren't just allowed to zip around freely. To operate legally, companies need waivers for flying beyond visual line of sight, flying over people, or flying at night. Safety is another critical factor. What happens if a drone malfunctions and crashes into a car or a crowded street? Or if it interferes with airplanes in busy airspace? These are not theoretical worries. they've already been raised by pilots' unions and safety boards. To counter this, companies are developing advanced detect and avoid systems that use radar and computer vision to prevent mid-air collisions. Then there's the issue of privacy. Imagine sitting in your backyard while dozens of drones fly overhead, cameras on board. Many Americans are concerned about constant surveillance, noise pollution, and even package theft from landing zones. A Pew Research study found that 54% of U.S. adults feel uneasy about widespread drone deliveries, showing that acceptance will take time. Yet despite these challenges, momentum is unstoppable. Why? Because the benefits are too great to ignore. A study by the World Economic Forum suggested that shifting even a fraction of U.S. deliveries to drones could cut urban traffic by up to 15% and reduce delivery-related carbon emissions by 25% or more. Considering that transportation is the largest source of greenhouse gases in America, this impact could be a game changer. Let's look at the economy. For businesses, drones drastically cut costs. Unlike human drivers, drones don't need salaries, brakes, or fuel. This cost reduction has massive implications. Small businesses could expand their reach. Rural towns could get the same fast service as major cities. And consumers everywhere could benefit from lower prices and faster delivery. But drones also raise big questions about jobs. Millions of Americans work in delivery and trucking. What happens to them if drones replace large chunks of those roles? Experts believe that while some traditional jobs may decline, new ones will emerge in drone maintenance, air traffic management, robotics engineering, and AI software development. Just as the internet created new industries we couldn't imagine in the 1990s, drones will reshape America's job market in unexpected ways. Finally, let's imagine America in 2035. Skies filled with quiet, electric drones buzzing between skyscrapers. Packages dropped gently into secure backyard lockers. Emergency drones saving lives in hurricanes, tornadoes, or wildfires by delivering food and supplies when roads are destroyed. Hospitals using drones to transfer organs for transplant across cities in record time. This isn't fantasy. It's already starting. In North Carolina, Novant Health used drones during COVID-19 to transport medical supplies between facilities. In Arkansas, Walmart delivered COVID test kits by drone to people's homes. And in Virginia, the company Zipline has been operating drones to deliver blood and vaccines with remarkable success. So when we say drones will change America forever, it's not exaggeration, it's fact. The technology is proven, the investments are massive, and the need is clear. The only question is how fast Americans will embrace it. The drone revolution will bring faster deliveries, cleaner cities, new jobs, and yes, new challenges. But like every wave of innovation before it, from the steam engine to the smartphone, once it begins, there's no turning back. So as you look up at the sky in the coming years, remember, it won't just be airplanes you see. It'll be the future flying straight to your doorstep.